So, I am going to be talking about our group communications theories, starting with the systems theory. So, starting with the group's input variable, what we put in was a lot of good ideas, a lot of time meeting on how we can sell studying communications at Youngstown State. Um, Everything worth doing is a process. So, with our group process variables, we met Monday, Wednesday, Friday until we planned what we wanted to do. Once we figured out what we wanted to do, we established roles and specific things that we had to accomplish in order for it to all come together. Then for the group output variables, really all we did was we put in a lot of personal time, and some of the time was other than the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 9:50 time of our normal class. It was just what we had to do. Now to talk about the social exchange theory a little bit, the group's rewards. We got to know each other and we put together some good ideas positively that would have presented the communications program very well. Our group costs, the cost would be for the gift card and just the time we put in. The group profitable, I look at it in two ways. Money, no, it wasn't profitable, but I think we got to know each other, and I think that is profitable, getting to know each other, forming relationships. Now to talk about the structuration theory a little bit. We had a couple rules. We wanted to communicate on class days just to make sure that we were developing in the right direction, trending upwards. So we kind of had a rule there. Group resources, we used Kahoot, Zoom, each other, and because that's really all we could do. It was a virtual event, so we wanted to make sure that our social media platforms there were being used. And our group's behavior it wasn't bad, it was nothing bad. I think this would have been a little bit easier in person, but we had to adjust with the times of COVID-19 and the pandemic we're in, so it had to be virtual. Again, that didn't really affect our behavior, but it made things a little more difficult at times. Now, here's Chris to talk about the group's roles and behaviors.